Hello children, today we are going to discuss English literature of class 4, chapter 2, The Elephant's Child. We will discuss from page number 16. Let's start. The crocodile, thrashing his tail about in the water, had to let go of the elephant child's nose, now 4 feet long. He swam away very hungry and very angry. That is why we say a hungry man is an angry man. The insatiable elephant's child looked down and saw, dangling from his face, the longest, strangest nose anyone had ever seen. It was long and thick and round. It was so big, it was like a trunk of a small tree. Yes, it was a trunk. Hoping that his nose had swelled up due to all the pulling, he wrapped his poor, pulled and long nose in cool banana leaves and sat down waiting for it to shrink. 3 days went by, but the nose did not shrink. Suddenly, a fly came and stuck him on the shoulder, and before he knew what he was about, he lifted his trunk and hit the fly dead with the end of it. Why, I could never have done that with the small nose I had. Before long, he was doing all sorts of things with his new long nose, squirting the river water on his back without having to kneel, plucking delicious fruit from the tree instead of waiting for it to fall and scratching himself with it. What fun! He was enjoying himself. So the elephant child is enjoying himself with his long trunk. Feeling homesick by now, he decided to return home. Finding his way back with the help of the banana skins and melon reeds he had dropped on the way here, he began his return journey, picking up the dead skins and reeds he had dropped, for he was a tidy patcheter. Back into the arms of his loving family, his uncle Baboon said, "Come here and be spanked, nephew." "Pooh," said the elephant's child. "I don't think you people know anything about spanking. But I do, and I will show you." Then he uncurled his long new trunk, much to the amazement of his family, and spanked 2 of his dear brothers with it. "Oh, bananas," they cried, "where did you learn that trick? And now is your nose so long?" "The crocodile gave it to me after I asked him what he had for dinner." Before long, the entire family went off one by one to the crocodile in the great grey green Limpopo River to get new long noses, and ever since, elephants have had long trunks. Now I will discuss few question answers and meanings with you. You can see them on the screen. Hope you all enjoyed the class. Now please read the chapter nicely and do the assignment in your literature copy. Thank you.